You can quickly and easily use Transact SQL to query CSV files in Microsoft Azure using a Synapse workspace. It's really quick. You just go into the Azure portal, you create a Synapse workspace, like I've created one called ASA Workspace 525110. And workspaces are pretty affordable. They don't get expensive until you start spinning up a bunch of clusters and leaving them on all the time. But by default, it's very, very small fee. So you open up Synapse Studio right here. And once Synapse Studio comes up, then you have to do a couple of things. The first thing you need to do is you need to link a storage account to Synapse. So I've linked a couple of storage accounts using Azure Data Lake Gen 2. I have these two storage accounts. And if I open up one of them, you'll see that I've got a couple of containers down here. In my WWIO2 container, once you are into the container, you can see the folders. Like I created these folders, right? Campaign analytics, customer info, ML, or whatever, right? So you can just new folder right here, organize your files however you'd like. Once you're in a folder, you can just upload whatever file you want to upload that you're interested in. So in my case, I have this CSV called customerinfo.csv. And if I right click it, new SQL script, select top 100 rows, it opens up a Transact SQL editor, and I can write Transact SQL here, however you want. You can use group by, having, you can use subqueries, you can use CTEs, you can use windowing functions like row number or sum over or something like that. So all the things that you've learned to do using Transact SQL and all the functions you've learned like date add and date diff, you can use those but over a CSV file really quickly and easily. And then you run it like I just did. You click run. And sometimes it takes a little bit for the results to come back, but it is pretty quick and it works great. So give it a second. Here's our results, and you can see right down here, this is the CSV. And if I wanted to say, okay, now give me the records where gender equals male, or I wanted to sort it by something, I can do all of that using this environment. Super easy, super affordable. I hope that really helps you. Thanks.